te tui whafo, fearing to step inside. Mana tu tatau nama, with nothing left to hide. Saona ua evahi, come because you're broken, let His mercy set you free. He comes to make you whole, body, mind, and soul. Ole hares, ole ola, eat and be restored. Ole ipu, ole alofa, drink unto the Lord. Jesus said, do this, say, Famalolo. Leave the pain behind. Faramahlo letino, healing for the mind. Etusah malona fina ngalo, leave the world behind. Elehna oleangana, not just spirit deep. Receive the strength of heaven, promises He keeps. Behava heva hiletino, falangolango hele hali. Feed the soul and spirit, now and evermore. Ole areto, ole ola, eat and be restored. Ole ipu, ole alofa, drink unto the Lord. Jesus said, do this, if Famaloloa, Ola manoia, leave the pain behind. Ete mana tu etele angavaha, to sit within this place in the glory of His star. But perfection is a journey led by God's own grace. Oh my imale fa'atua tua, seek His holy face. Lealo fatunoa, covering every stain. Ave sele taho sahlaina, taking all the pain. It is given by His hand. Ole malu malu paia, on the rock on which we stand. Farfeta ye Yesu molela ulahu paia, where brokenness meets glory. Matote olai, ole hareto, ole ola, eat and be restored. Ole ipu, ole alofa, drink unto the Lord. Jesus said, do this, if Famaloloa, Ola manoia, leave the pain behind. Profeta ye Yesu, molene hi famanatu.